Can my H1B application be rejected? The answer is yes. Stay tuned to the end of this video where I'll share with you some of the reasons why your H1B may be or can be rejected. Hey guys, and thanks for joining. If you're joining for the first time, my name is Dr. Britton, and I want to welcome you to this channel. We share a lot of information about H1B visa as well as how an international teacher can get a teaching job here in the United States. We are also catering to healthcare workers and skilled workers. So if these are areas that you're interested in, go ahead and stay tuned and learn a lot through this platform. Now, the H1B visa can be rejected for a number of reasons. We're going to look at some of the things that may cause your H1B to be rejected. Understanding the common factors can help applicants prepare effectively for their H1B visa. Please note that if your H1B visa is denied, you have the option of appealing your case. Also, take note that myself have gotten an H1B denial before. It was reopened and eventually got approved. So let's look at the common reasons why your H1B visa might be rejected. One of the common reasons why H1B visas get denied is because of incomplete or inaccurate documentation. If you fail to submit completed application forms or inaccurate documentation, that is subjected to a H1B denial. It is therefore crucial for you to ensure that you are dotting all the I's and crossing all the T's and making sure your documentations are correct when submitting those to your lawyer who is applying for your H1B visa. Another reason why your H1B visa might be denied is because of employer-employee relationship issues. Now, USCIS will check to see that your employer are legitimate employers and that they are eligible to offer you sponsorship for H1B visa. They will also check to see if it is a specialty area that warrants a H1B visa. If USCIS suspect that the offer is not valid or was not legitimate, or if the employer is not eligible to sponsor a H1B visa, your visa may, or should I say, will be rejected or denied. Another reason why your H1B may be denied is because of insufficient credentials. For every area or every opportunity for a H1B sponsorship, there are credentials that must be met. For example, for you to become a teacher in the United States, on a H1B visa, your minimum requirement is a bachelor's degree. Therefore, if an employer is going to offer you sponsorship to teach and you don't have a bachelor's degree, you are going to be getting a denial from the USCIS. And that's the body that takes care of the visa. Another reason why your H1B might be denied is because of age level concerns. Though you are an international and you're seeking a job in the United States, it is expected that your salary be on par with what an American citizen will get for that same job opportunity. It cannot be that they're saying, oh, she's not from this country, so I'm going to underpay or overpay him or her, especially if the prevailing wage is significantly lower than what the average salary is. It will raise a concern and USCIS will reject or deny that application. Another reason why your H1B might be denied is because the cap might have been met or reached for your lottery selection. A lot of internationals have to be entered into the H1B lottery, and there's going to come a time when they have reached the amount of H1B visa they had planned to offer for that year. So if they have reached that cap, then your H1B will automatically be rejected. Your employer's financial standing can be another reason for H1B denial. Please note that the USCIS scrutinizes your employer's financial stability. Please note that the USCIS scrutinizes your employer's financial capability to ensure that they can pay you the wage that they promise or the wage that they should offer or the wage that you are eligible for. If your employer cannot afford to pay you, then USCIS will reject the application. The final reason we will look at today why your H1B visa might be denied is because of status violation. So, for example, you were here already in the United States on a specific visa, maybe the J1 visa, the F1 visa, whatever visa you were on, but your visa expired and you did not leave the country and you were here illegally, then your H1B may be denied because of your status violation. And it might not be that you were here. It can be that you visited on a visitor visa, but you violated your visiting visa terms. So those are things you need to take into consideration as to why your H1B visa may be denied. So what do you do if your H1B is denied? It's going to be important that your lawyer or whoever it is that's filing for your H1B take a careful look on the denial notice. They will give you a list of things or a list of reasons why your H1B was denied. So they need to review that notice carefully. Consult with your attorney or the lawyer, as I mentioned before, so that they too can take a look and see what the next steps are or what the best steps should be. They then will need to correct whatever needs to be corrected. For example, in my case, I would fall under document was not completed properly, as my employer had left off an important signature, a signature. Can you imagine a signature being left off and your H1B being denied for a signature? So yes, that is important. So I can imagine it's being denied, but can you imagine that an attorney, or should I say a law firm, had filed this? How did I miss a signature? Well, we all make mistakes, but at that time I was furious. So once your lawyer checks, they can then make an appeal to the USCIS. Another thing, if they don't want to appeal, they can refile. So what if they believe it's better to just refile the entire document over and not open this case up again? They can do this other option by just refiling the entire case, whichever works best. They want to make sure that they address the concerns that USCIS had pointed out in the first application, whether they're refiling or appealing. And they want to make sure if they're appealing that they are taking care to respond in a timely manner to whatever is being asked to be corrected. So if they return it and say, if you're going to appeal, you need to appeal in X time, you need to make sure you appeal before that time is expired. One thing you should know is that the appeal process is complex, and that's why a lot of lawyers, instead of appealing, they will just refile a different or a new H1B visa for you. It is always important for you to seek professional help when you are applying for an H1B visa, so that they who are experts in the area can tell you what to do. So that's it, guys. That's some of the reasons, or should I say the common reasons, why your H1B visa might be denied or rejected, and what to do if it is denied or rejected. If you've gotten to the end of this video, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're interested in this channel, and also share this video with somebody who may need the information. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.